This is the morning after Tropical Storm Gamma. Just gonna show a little bit of the damage compared to yesterday walking.
Where that stuff was falling yesterday, it fell even more. This is where the power lines went out. This is why we don't have power right here.
Yeah, we still do not have power. This is crazy. We're hoping we can walk into town and find something to eat. We haven't had anything but chips and cookies since Friday. We haven't been able to charge our phones. But people are out and about, so that's a good thing. More of these power lines, they're all across here.
That's not a good sign.
No, that's not a good sign at all. And we didn't have any water either this morning, so we're pretty gross. we're glamping in Akumal.
Oh, these almonds.
See the damage in this little area here.
Look, blue sky a little bit up
Oh
there.
yes, blue sky.
This was a wind tunnel last night. Right.
Oh yeah. Hey, little buddy. Well, I was gonna pull the camera out to film this palm tree that's down, or coconut tree, and then a little coyote ran by, so that was pretty cool. Actually, he was kind of a big coyote. As you can see, even with the hurricane damage, or sorry, tropical storm damage, not sure what it is yet. We haven't had service to see if it turned into a hurricane or not. But Akumal is a beautiful place. Yes.
Oh, there's another line down. Don't know why it's down. Doesn't seem to be anything hitting it.
Wind.
Yeah.
Pretty extensive damage here with the trees.
Oh yeah. This is okay. This is probably the other one right here. See some lines down.
The path here is back, and most of the water has soaked up from here. It's crazy how little time it took to do that. And we're just gonna hope that Loha is open and we can go eat some breakfast there. Akumal Bay. Well, we ate our breakfast at Aloha, and we didn't film it because we haven't had a hot meal since Friday afternoon, so we kind of just scarfed it down.
Stocked up on coffee.
Yeah, we drank some coffee. We were going through coffee withdrawals, but it looks like they're starting to open things up.
Everybody's cleaning stuff up.
So now, mind you, this is during COVID and now a tropical storm. So it's kind of a double whammy. We're really impressed though with how they're cleaning everything around here. It seems to be much more, I would say, efficient than in the US right now.
Well, in our neck of the woods.
Well, where we live anyway, yes. But the ocean's looking better. Hopefully it'll stay that way. Just walk down through here a little bit. Since we don't have power yet at our place, they are letting me charge my phone here at Aloha.